Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can print the receipt on your Shopify store. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in the Shopify admin panel. So the first thing that you need to do guys is go to the left side and then go all the way down until you find settings. Once you find settings, go ahead and click on it. And then in this menu on the left, go ahead and search for apps and sales channel. Click on it, and then right here in installed, you're going to find all of the installed applications. And also you can see the uninstalled applications. And you can sort by relevance, last access, name A to Z, newest first, or oldest first. Here you're going to find developer apps and Shopify App Store. So go ahead and click on Shopify App Store and you're going to be directed to the App Store. Go ahead and type order printer and hit enter. So you hit enter, you're going to find a few results. So go ahead and search, choose any one that you want. So for me, I use this one, Order Printer Pro Invoice app. Click on it. And then as you can see guys, it has a very good rating, which is 4.9. And the developer is for Sberg plus 2 apps. Go ahead and hit install in order to install this app on your store. Once you do that, go ahead and click on install app again, and then wait for it to load. As you can see guys right here, Order Printer Pro has been added to your Shopify admin panel. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.